I think one of the biggest things that we've seen Epion do, and this is one of the things that's so important for us, for OrthoSC, we're here to take care of patients. I mean, we're like every other practice that there is. We've got to keep the lights on, we've got payroll to make, but at the end of the day, what we're really here for is to take care of our patients. The people that are coming through our doors every day, they're our friends, they're our family, they're our community. So we want to take care of them well. What Epion's helped us do in that is that it's helped us remove some of the burdens and some of the clicking and some of the additional steps that our industry has seen over the last 9-10 years now, that have taken us away from the patient and driven us more towards the technology, to where that we've had to put more hands on the keyboard, more clicks, more boxes, more steps, more forms. Epion's given us the ability to turn back around and focus on the patient, have the conversation with the patient, talk through what's going on in the patient's life, which in turn gives us the ability to make a better decision about what's going to make the best sense in solving the problem that this patient's here to see us for today. I can tell you about all the situations where our staff have discovered a medication that they didn't list that they were taking that makes a decision now, and it's going to impact what we do with this patient for surgery. I can tell you about how that we've caught other issues that might say maybe we don't need to go to surgery just yet, or there's a lot of different things along the episode of care that Epion's really just clicked right into, and again helped us turn back around away from the computer and focus more on our patient, which gives us the ability to give better patient care and do a better job of taking care of our community. I appreciate the fact that I feel like whenever I say the word excellence, I see a picture in my mind, and I feel like the Epion team sees a really similar picture. If I were going to give someone a word of advice, or if they were asking me what I thought of Epion Health, I would tell them that that's going to be one of the easiest signatures on a contract that they'll ever place, and it'll be one that they wish that they had done earlier.
Hi, my name's Karen May. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Emerge Ortho in North Carolina, a large orthopedic practice. We have been with Epion for 4 years now. It's an amazing product. We have used the product in our essentially clinical workflow. We've added providers over the past 4 years, and we have actually decreased medical assistance. Epion, one of the goals of Epion and Triangle Orthopedics at the time was to reduce staff, and we've actually been very successful with that. The clinical workflow has been amazing with Epion. It's actually decreased the FTEs, as I said, but we've also been able to maximize all the information that we're collecting in our patient charts, from the meaningful use and macro information. This year we were able to meet our meaningful use and macro measures. We are going to receive a 4% increase. Epion assisted with that. Things that our patients answer for us, our medical assistants were not collecting, and we are now collecting the information that the government requires. Epion's been a great partner. They've modified workflow when we've asked, and over the years we've just developed a great relationship.
In my role as CFO at Christus Physician Group, I oversee the accounting and finance operations, as well as physician compensation and IT services. At the end of the day, my job is to make sure that we use our money wisely. The response from our practices since implementing Epion has been phenomenal. The reduction in paperwork has been unbelievable. At the end of the day, our patients love the Epion digital platform. Over 92% of them are either satisfied or very satisfied with their experience. And our front desk staff are more productive. Since implementing Epion, we've seen nearly a 3.5% increase in our collections per encounter. That alone is a 5-time return on investment. One of our organizational goals was to increase outstanding collections at time of service. Since implementing Epion, we've seen nearly a 100% increase. I would tell others considering Epion that they are a true partner. They're a well-run organization with a great team. Their knowledge of Athena clinicals is very impressive. They have demonstrated a high return on investment for us. From my perspective as a CFO, the decision to implement Epion was one of the easiest ones I've ever made. I would highly recommend Epion.